Interacting with Python Interpreter. Python is an interpreter-based programming language. So, to create and run Python programs, we need an interpreter that will convert the Python program to machine language. In this module, we will learn how to interact with the Python interpreter. There are two ways to use Python interpreter: interactive mode and script mode. First, let us learn about the interactive mode. Open the Python shell window by clicking on Python idle option. Idle stands for Interactive Development and Learning Environment. It helps us to create, run, and debug Python programs from a single interface. As we click on Python idle, a Python shell window opens. It displays Python's version of information and the prompt, which is a set of 3 greater than symbols. In the idle shell window, when we type commands and press enter, they get executed immediately. And we get the results on the next line. For example, if we type 12 plus 15 and press enter, the result 27 is displayed immediately in the next line. Similarly, if we type 15 into 15 and press enter, we will get 225 as output. We can even print text in idle using the print command. Say, we type the command print good day and press enter. The output obtained is the string good day. Although it is simple to use, we cannot save commands in idle mode. Also, it is not possible to debug or edit the programs in this mode, especially the programs with multiple instructions. So, it is not suitable for creating, saving, and debugging programs with multiple statements. For this, we have to work in script mode. Script mode. In this mode, we can save the statements in the form of a program in a file. This file can then be edited and executed multiple number of times. To create a program in script mode, click File, New File. The editor window appears where we can type our program. To create a program to display a message, type the command print "Hello, I have just started with Python." After you have finished writing the program, click File, Save As option. Specify the file name and click Save. By default, the files in Python are saved with an extension .py. To execute the program, we click Run, Run Module, or we can also press F5. Here, you see output of the program in the shell window. Now, we know the two ways to use the Python interpreter, interactive and script mode. You may select any mode as per your requirement and start creating your own programs.